Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you again how you can add the payment details in your store on the WooCommerce website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the WooCommerce website. And after going to the website, as you can see, it has an option for the sale. So we have to click on the sale. And now has an option for the payments. Accept payments and manage transactions right from your dashboard with your Woo payments. Let's click on the payments option. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to get all the details regarding payments for WooCommerce simplified. You can read this carefully, and how it works you can also read that. And now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the get Woo payments option. And after clicking on the get Woo payments option, as you can see, the only payment solution fully integrated with the Woo, accept credit debit cards and local payments option with no setup or monthly fees. Now simply this is free feature. You have to click on the add to store, and automatically it will be added in your store. So in this way you can add this, and if you want to read this more in more detail, you can also do that. And where it works, the countries are also mentioned here. You have to click on the more. As you can see, these all countries are mentioned here, where it will work and how it will work. So in this way you can use this Woo payments options on your WooCommerce website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the Woo payments in your store. So see you guys in the next video.